So what I made, it's about gas and air. So I made this little car so you have a milk carton, you cut the top off and then the side, then you punch holes, and I have this toy, it has this white stick, you connect these balls to it, and then it makes sort of like some wheels, and what this hole is all about, so I have this red balloon and I fill it up with air and gas, so when I put it in this hole and let it go, the gas will rub against it, pushing the gas out of the balloon and forcing the car to go back like that. Okay, so the gas pushes against each other out of the hole and then forcing all the gas out of this hole, forcing this balloon to go around the room. Okay, now I put this balloon in the hole. My mom blew it up with air, so when the gas pushes against some more gas, it forces it out of the hole of the balloon, and then the air will push out so far, making this go back like a car. So, quick demonstration. Oh, dang, it doesn't work. Okay, let me do this. So we made the hole bigger now, so let's just hope it works this time.
So is the air going out too slowly in the balloon?
Yes.
Oh. The air's not coming out at all.
Oh. So we bought a new balloon from Safeway. So let's see if this works. Nope.
What do you think? Maybe we need to make the hole bigger?
The hole bigger?
Why did you make the hole bigger?
So, because when the hole was smaller, it was tighter, so it was kind of closing the hole up a bit.
Okay, see if it works.
Okay.
Woo!
It works!
So Hunter, during your experiment, what's something else besides the forces of motion? What else did you discover about your experiment?
What I discovered? So I discovered that if air pushes against air, it creates it to go like that. And creating a bunch of wind going that way. So pushing the car going this way, like this. So we did a couple of time lapse and slow-mos.
What is there something about experiments that you have to do and try?
You have to try over and over until you get it right. Keep fiddling with it.
Keep fiddling with it until it gets right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, was that a fun experiment?
Yep.